Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to learn about a secret setting that can make your laptop safe. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And this video is sponsored by TY Wear the Trend. I'll be providing the link in the description. You can go check out their collection. And now, let's get started. Now to start with, we need to click on this Windows button plus S so that we will be here, and we need to search for Windows security. So you can see something like this here. Click on this, and once this gets open, so here you can see something called as device security. So memory integrity is off, your device may be vulnerable. So we just need to go to the settings, and here you can see this alert symbol. So this memory integrity is something that can be preventing attacks from inserting any malicious code with into this high security processes. So we can just turn on this. Yes, and you can just then restart your device, and this will be reflecting now. By doing this, you can make your laptop safe and prevents these attacks of malicious softwares or viruses by turning on this simple setting. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching.